How much land do you need for a ground source heat pump? The size of land you will need depends on two factors: how large your home is and the type of ground source heat pump you go for. For horizontal ground source heat pumps, the average 150 square meter home needs an outdoor area between 300 and 700 square meters, depending on the size and efficiency of your heating system. For homes without the necessary space in the garden, a vertical ground source heat pump could also be an option. For this type of heat pump, a hole is dug vertically, and the total piping will be 50 to 150 meters deep, depending on the composition of the ground, so it is possible to fit on a much smaller plot.